You know, all the Design for Change stories by children are so inspiring for us designers. It is every time the children say, come back, you need to see more of what we're doing.
It has been a very interesting level of participation, and I think what is also particularly interesting for me is to see that design is not something that is being talked about in our schools. And today, because of Design for Change, and as we are calling it as DFC, has actually started sprinkling design into the schools without them realizing it.
Having no resources, having nobody telling them that they're talented or that they have skills or that they have the capability to do these things, they take action, they take charge, and they try to change their lives for the better, is inspiring to me. And I want to live in a world where Design for Change is possible and where it's spreading.
DFC is what school should be. Schools have always prepared children for the future. Rarely has school ever said to children, you need to make an impact now, right now. And DFC starts with that priority. It starts with that invitation that today, your voice, your imagination, right now matters. And so DFC, for all of its remarkable growth and its story being told around the world, it's really, really simple. It says that a children's future isn't the focus. It's a children's voice right now that matters.
I think firstly it's very encouraging to see children having the level of initiative they've demonstrated in these projects, the sheer diversity of problems that they've highlighted, and the innovativeness of the solutions that they've been coming up with. I think that's been very, very encouraging to see. And the second is the personal transformation I see in myself in terms of the attitude I think I'm going to have about these issues. So I think more than changing anything else, it's been a very transformational experience for me.
All these children are getting sensitized to the way problems can be solved. Okay? And eventually when they grow up, imagine what kind of a nation we will have. We are going to have a nation of problem solvers. Okay? So that's what excites me.